Rio is standing outside Big Monkey Bank, mud on his suit, someone else's glasses on his face, screaming at a pigeon. The pigeon is not listening. This is a grown monkey, with a job, a family, a tie that is somehow still straight. Let me tell you how he got here. Morning came. Letter under door. Rio picked it up. Read first line. Read it again. Big Monkey Bank. Final payment due. Oh, no. 2,040 leaves. Rio sat down on the step. Missed the step completely. Sat in the mud instead. Tie still straight though. Small victories. He borrowed 3,000 leaves 7 years ago. Never missed one payment. Already paid back more than 2,000. So why does he still owe 2,040? Rio counted again. Same answer. Monkey wrong. Maya appeared at the door. Rio still in the mud. What does it say? 2,040 leaves. Maya did not speak. She just stared. Long, slow stare. That stare was its own sentence. John came downstairs. One sock on, one sock missing. Papa, why are you in the mud? I am thinking. The mud helps. John sat next to Rio in the mud. Did not ask more questions. That was somehow worse. Rio went straight to Big Monkey Bank. Mud on suit, tie still straight. This was an emergency. Big Bank Monkey was at the counter. Enormous smile, tiny eyes, gold name tag. Good morning, valued customer. There must be a mistake. I have been paying for 7 years. Big Bank Monkey smiled wider somehow. Oh, no mistake at all, sir. Every month you paid 180 leaves. 120 went to us as interest. Only 60 reduced your actual loan. Big Bank Monkey still smiling. So most of my money went to you, not to my loan. Correct. You are such a responsible customer. Rio stared at him for a long time. The bank ate first. Every single month. For 7 years. The bank always ate first. Rio walked out, sat on the bench outside. Pigeon landed next to him. You understand me, don't you? Pigeon flew away immediately. Even the pigeon had somewhere better to be. 5,000 leaves total. For a house worth 3,000, with a leaky roof. And a bucket on John's bed. Monkey wrong. Old coconut smell. From behind. Rio did not hear footsteps. He just suddenly felt someone sit beside him. Sage. White beard, torn clothes, coconut tea already in hand. Sitting like he had been there the whole time. How long have you been sitting there? Long enough. How did you know I was here? Sage sipped his tea. Said nothing. Just looked ahead, like Rio had asked the wrong question entirely. You are angry at the bank? Yes, Rio. They showed you the contract 7 years ago, before you signed. Yes, but I did not understand it. Sage turned and looked directly at Rio. You already knew this. You just refused to look. Rio opened his mouth, closed it again. Not like comfort, like a mirror. That is called a system, Rio, not a trap. A system is built so you catch yourself, every time, willingly. Sage sipped his tea. Rio felt slightly cold. So what do I do? Sage was quiet long enough to be uncomfortable. First, understand what you are inside, before you find the way out. Sage stood up. Come find me when you are ready to learn, not when you are ready to panic. Rio watched him walk away. Walked home straighter than before. Dinner, quiet. John poking his rice. Papa, if the bank takes most of your money first, and banana costs more every month, and salary stays the same, when do we actually get ahead? Silence. Fans spinning slowly above. Maya looked at Rio. Rio thought about what Sage said. You already knew this. You just refused to look. Rio straightened his tie. Crooked immediately. Son, that is exactly the right question. And starting tomorrow, Papa is going to find the answer. John smiled. Maya almost smiled. Almost. Dishes done. House quiet. Rio at table. Paper and pen. First time in 7 years writing a real plan. Knock at door. Late knock. Rio opened door. Rico. No gold chain. No bright shirt. Old jacket. Eyes down. Not market Rico. A completely different Rico. I need to borrow some leaves. Just until next month. The gold chain. The new tree house every season. The multiple income streams. How many? 300. Rico finally looked up. Same eyes as Rio on that bench. Same confusion. Same fear. Just a different jungle address. Rio let Rico in. Rico sat down slowly, then looked up. Bro, I have a plan. An opportunity. Something that can fix everything. For both of us. Half desperate, half convinced. That combination was dangerous. Rio already knew this. He said yes anyway. Uh-oh. Next week on Jungle Money. Rico has an opportunity. It sounds amazing. It always does. Subscribe for a banana.